All right, so in this video, I'm gonna write a product description for the Speedy Pocket Bluetooth printer. All right, so firstly, we'll get rid of the Burlo description. And what we wanna do is first we wanna put in a headline, right? So I'll choose heading 1, and we'll say the main benefit of the product. So print your photos from your mobile anywhere at any time. All right, so that's our headline. So then under the headline, I always recommend putting in a video, right? So I think on this AliExpress page, they've got a supplier video from it. So I would include this. So what we want to do is we want to go here and go download, or you can right click it and go save video as, and you can download it. So then the way to upload it to your Shopify product description, the best way to do it is if you have a Vimeo account or a YouTube account, just upload it through that. So like if you sign up for a YouTube account, just go here, go upload video, and then I'm not gonna do it all, but you can upload the video like that, right? And then what you do here is you go insert video, and then when if you're on YouTube, I'll just show you how to do it. I'll show you how to do it on my, so once you've uploaded the video, go to the video page, then go share, then go embed, and you just take this embed, take off so remove show suggested videos, and then remove show video title as well. So it's just a clean iframe. And then you want to put this here, and this will insert the video under, right? That's the first thing you want to do. So now after the video, what I suggest you have is like bullet points with benefits. So usually if it's an AliExpress product and you go and search the product in Google, you'll find lots of other dropshippers selling the same product, or you might. If you do, I reckon the quickest way to just get product descriptions up is just like piece together what other dropshippers have said about the product. Like don't just copy one store exactly, but you can combine like a few stores and take the product descriptions. And then what I recommend, if the product is like selling well and it's profitable, then I recommend go ahead and do your own product descriptions and make them like 10 times better than any other site, right? So the reason I'm saying initially to go and take other product images is because you really need to get as many products up as quickly as possible, because there's like a high chance that whatever product you upload, it's not going to be profitable, right? Because the winners are usually like 1 in 20, 1 in 30 products. So I mean, that means you're going to get like 19 to 29 like failed products, right? And if you're wasting time writing like your own like long product descriptions for each product, it's a waste of time if the product's going to be a failure. So if the product is showing signs of it being profitable, then I recommend go ahead and write your own product descriptions. But if not, you can piece together what other dropshippers have, and also piece together what the suppliers have as well. So just for the purpose of this example, I'm going to take the product description from here, just as an example to show you guys. So I'll show you how I would structure it. So I'm just going to paste this into here. I'm going to remove these photos. I don't like these photos in the benefits section at all. So what I usually do is have like this, and you can usually call this section either features or benefits, right? So I would say, because this is like an electronic product, I would say features, and I would put this as heading 2. Actually, I wouldn't say all caps. And then you can have it throughout here, right? And then what I usually do is put it like this, so it's a little bit easier to read, I find. And usually I'll break up. It's like that, right? So now I want to put in some images. And so the images that I put into the product description here are going to be different to the images that are displayed here, right? So if we go to AliExpress, right, I'm going to save some of these images. Like this is a good one. So I'm going to save this. This about the battery is good. I'm going to save this as well. And then I'm also going to save this image as well, because it actually shows you what the photos look like when they're printed. So then I want to come in here, right? And then I want to add some images to the bottom of this. So I want to go here, insert image. So I usually put them in as large, 480 by 480, so they're a little bit compressed. so they don't take up much page load time. Image alt text, I usually just put the keywords in here because Google crawl picks them up. So I just put a couple random keywords in there. And then I'm gonna put this in here again, put this in. So photo prints or photo prints. So you're basically just labeling what the photo is. Google's pretty smart as well, so don't just put a random keyword if the product doesn't relate to the image. So I'll insert that, and then I think we had one more image that I don't know if I uploaded. So I want to go here and upload this one as well. So 3 images is pretty good. I find the higher ticket the item is, the higher price the item is, the more images and the longer description you want to do it, right? Because if it's a product that's say over $50, the buying decision is much more involved. So people are much more likely to read all of this if the product is high priced. So I recommend putting in at least 3 images if the product is over $50. If it's under $50, 3 is fine. Unless you have to explain the product a lot using images, then it's fine to put more. But if the product is $20, under $20, usually people won't read all of this. So yeah. And I also recommend building out the description and adding more photos if the product is profitable as well. So we've got headline, video, feature bullets. We've got some images. So the next thing in our list is we want the shipping time and the money back guarantee. We can also throw in a bit of scarcity as well. So if we want to have a look at a really good product page, a really good product description that we saw earlier is this one here. So they do a similar thing that we're doing. They've got a longer description. They've got another section here on how does it work. This can work really well as well. So they don't actually mention the shipping time on here, but I recommend to do it on your product pages. So put shipping. Please allow 2 to 3 weeks for delivery due to high demand for this product. And then our guarantee. So there's plenty of guarantees that you can find. Lots of other lots of dropshipping sites use guarantees. You can create your own. Have a look at what other dropshippers are using and just build your own from it. So I'm pretty sure this other site will have a guarantee. Yeah, so you can just take any sort of guarantee that any other store is using. But what I like to say is that include in the guarantee that we have tracking numbers with every order, and we have support where you can contact us. So I'm just going to take this and edit it a little bit. So you can have a 30-day guarantee or a 60-day guarantee here, whatever you want. I have a 60-day guarantee on my site, and I usually say we provide tracking numbers with every, I'm going to take this, provide tracking numbers with every order, and our shopping cart is SSL secured. Then I usually say something down here if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to get in touch, and then have info@yourstore.com. And then say we answer all queries within 24 hours or however long it takes you to answer. All right, cool. So let's save this and let's preview what our product looks like. All right, so I don't recommend using this theme here, but we're just looking at the product description solely in this case, right? So we've got the headline, we've got a video of the product. So that's my YouTube video. But if we went and uploaded that video we took from the AliExpress supplier and uploaded it on YouTube, that's where it would go. We've got our features or our benefits and our bullet points here. We've got some images on the product page. We've got shipping and our guarantee. So the only thing that I think this is missing is a bit of scarcity, right? So if you want to put in here, right, and put a little red, this is what I do on some of my product pages. This does help conversion rate as well. I probably wouldn't put this on every single product page, but if you have a product that is profitable on Google Shopping, right, this can increase the conversion rate. So do this on products that have potential. Don't do it on every single product, right? I put a little update here and go update. This product, due to increased social media attention, this product is selling extremely fast. Limit of 5, then you say that's the names, limit of 5 speedy pocket Bluetooth printers per order. So you cap the order, you say like you can't order more than this. And then you also say in green, darker green, sorry, click the add to cart button before we sell out. So a little bit of scarcity in there to put on some of your product pages as well, which does increase conversion rate, but don't put this on every single product page because it just looks scammy. Sweet, that is the perfect product page.